Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue west on Interstate 94, beginning at mile marker 34 in Dunn County, Wisconsin. We're closing the gap to the Minnesota border now, and there's a noticeable change in the terrain. Gone are the mostly flat lands that we've been driving through since we left Chicago, and we see some hills. Also, everything seems to be noticeably greener as we approach the St. Croix and Mississippi rivers. We enter St. Croix County, which has a population of 93,596 as of the 2020 census. Between 2000 and 2010, this was the fastest growing county in Wisconsin, with a 33% population increase. St. Croix is the westernmost county on I-94 in Wisconsin. The county was formed in 1840 by the legislature of the Wisconsin Territory and named for the river on its western border. We made a quick stop at exit 24 near Woodville to clean some detritus from the windshield. I did not do a very good job. We enter the village of Baldwin, the biggest little town in Wisconsin. At exit 19, we see a junction with US Highway 63, which runs through the village. Baldwin was founded in 1871 and named for the manager of the Western Wisconsin Railroad. The village had an estimated population of 4,072 as of 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the village of Roberts, named for John Bannister Gibson Roberts, chief engineer for the Western Wisconsin Railroad. A post office has been in operation here since 1884. In 2019, Roberts had an estimated population of 1,889. We conclude today's video at mile marker 9. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.